Alright, good luck, have fun. All that stuff. I'll play Genos. First, I'm gonna put life out.
Yeah.
I don't always do it, but it works pretty well in this deck. So I will play the Genos. I will draw a card. And I will pitch. Hmm. I'm just gonna pitch the tornado. And I'll pass.
I'm gonna play double speed of Sound Sonic and pass turn.
Yeah. Seems good. Draw. Alright. I'm gonna play the Handsome Common on my mask. Pick up Genos. And then I will play Genos. Draw one. Trash a Genos. The classic Leorio Zepile combo from the days of Karapika himself. Push them both. Oh my god.
No, just one.
Yeah, one's bad enough.
And then play another. No, play Boros. Draw one. Trash.
Tough call.
Trash the 0-drop and then play 2-drop. Draw. Trash. Boros. We'll go 15.
Here. We've got a Saitama here. He allows me to draw a card.
Your turn.
Okay. Alright. We're gonna go into Genos. And then King. I'll take Saitama. And then we are going to raid onto the king. Push it up to the front. We will trash the Saitama we just took after drawing a card to kill your creature. And then I'll mill 3 cards. I don't know why I just said creature, but that's my turn.
I guess I will. Play the 3-drop Sonic. I will. Raid Sonic ability. Banish 3. Draw 1.
Yep.
And then I will Wind Blade Leg on the king.
Yep.
I'll go 4K.
Okay. Draw a card.
Sonic ability. I'll go 3K.
Saitama at the hand.
You're up.
Okay. Draw.
Oh my god, this cat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Energy. Towards Saitama. King. Raid. Draw card. Pitch. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna move him up. We'll mill. Draw a card off the Saitama.
Sure.
And then I will go Fang. I'll leave that one at the top. And I'll pass. It's possible that I should have moved up the Genis as well.
I'm gonna play the 2-drop Speed of Sound. Draw a card. Trash. 2-drop Speed.
Yep.
I will play the 2-drop Speed. Banish 3. Draw 1. And then I will play Windblade Leg, killing the Silver Fang.
Yep.
And then I'll go 4,000.
Draw a card.
Ability 35 or 3,000.
Final.
You're up.
Okay. Mill 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm producing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. I think this gets me where I need to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Play the Saitama. Swing, kill the Sonic, hit you for all 7 of your lives.
I'll get a final.
Oops.
So active, draw, final, raid, get, so get, draw.
You drew off the Mosquito Girl, right?
Yep.
Or off the Sonic.
And then raid
Right.
here, and then final.
Yep. Cool. Go ahead.
Oh, We'll do Boros. Take a left. No, I'm just kidding. Well, yeah. We'll do Mosquito Girl. Boost him by 1,000.
Sure.
And then Speed of Sound Sonic.
Yep.
Get Sonic. Draw 1. Trash 1.
I do still have 2 finals lurking somewhere out there.
We'll do 5,000.
Yep. So, I guess I take the first one. I can always block the next one. It's a king raid. That's a bummer. Okay. So I will block
Yep, 4
the
cards.
next swing, and the Saitama goes back to my hand.
Oh,
Yep.
wait. Before we begin, before I go to my
Uh,
battle phase, I need to banish
Yep.
3 with, or banish 6 with these 2.
Yep. Yep.
Oh,
Fair.
also, I can't switch it because you have a Saitama on the field.
Maple flavored griddle cakes.
Oh shoot, you're right.
We're going
Okay,
against
but you can
5.
switch it after I block.
First, but
So I take the first. Oh, I guess
Yeah.
I guess
messed
that
up.
wins.
I messed that up. Now here, go back. I think
Is there a way to?
4,000 first.
Oh, yep. And then I take it,
Yep.
and then you swing, and then the Saitama's not there, so you do get to switch. And now you swing, and this is the final. Unfortunately, it's not actually, so GG.
I think that should. Hopefully, that's how it works.
Yeah, no, that's the correct sequence, for sure. If I had one more life or another blocker, I get around it, but
Oh.
I need to